Yeah.
Carstyle Crew represent.
How are you, Igor?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Good.
That's
Great to see you.
Yes, you too, mate.
So we got Cam here. How are you, Cam?
Yeah, good mate. How are you?
Good. So you're gonna make some coffee for us today.
I am. Gonna make Igor's coffee.
So you guys are the expert in coffee.
Try to be. Try to be, mate. Try our best. Ask Igor. He's the customer.
I'm here
A regular.
Every day. Regular. It's the best coffee in town. 100%.
Yeah. That's
Very
good.
happy.
Looking pretty. It's sort of like cross-promote and everything.
They're really nice hats too.
Yeah.
I've got to get one as well.
Yeah, you gotta get one.
So Daryl, we are actually talking about you.
How are you, mate? Good to see you.
Yeah. When he's in Brisbane again, we'll try to hang out.
Yeah, definitely.
Together.
We're gonna come to Brisbane more often, mate.
Yeah.
Get together, do our thing, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is Igor's S3 here. Pretty cool guys here, having nice coffee. It's all done by Cameron.
The reason I have a coffee shop so I don't have to pay for coffee. That's the main reason.
Yeah, I believe you got like podcasts and everything.
I do, yes, the Daily Grind podcast. Igor was the #1 interviewee on the podcast.
Really? Okay, so you guys are good friends previously.
Check it out.
He was the
You want
first
to check
one.
it out.
Okay, I should put a link in everything
Yeah,
as well.
Up to 22 episodes at the moment, so yeah, it's going well.
Okay.
It's good, we just hear people's business stories, it's really interesting.
Okay, cool. So I will catch you next time, Cam.
Nice to meet you, mate.
Yeah, see ya.
Take care, mate.
Take it easy. We'll see you soon.
See you later, guys.
See ya, buddy. So guys, I'm actually going to Igor's shop to have a visit.
Oh, I'll give you a lift. Because you're super nice. I'll give you a lift. Get our seatbelt on now. I want you to be safe.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Good, it's good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check out Igor's shop.
Yeah, here we are.
Massive. Okay, so we arrived from Coorparoo Mechanics. First time here. Let's check everything out. So guys, we are actually at Coorparoo Mechanic. Igor is kind enough to give me a lift with his S3. That's good. We're gonna do a quick tour. So guess what guys? We actually got Elijah's car here. I can see the very nice sticker here. How are you? Good, I'm Alan.
Yeah, good.
Good, how are you, Gordon? So I'm doing some exciting cars as well. So this is Srilok's car. Srilok, I probably have to catch up with you soon. Or maybe later as well. It's good. So so this is a place that you've been operating for quite a while here?
Well, here 4 years.
Okay.
And Coorparoo, hence the name Coorparoo, for about 14 years as well.
Okay.
Yeah, long time in business.
That's good.
Yeah, this is our new little shop.
Yeah.
So we've got 3 hoists, and we do everything out of here now.
That's good, that's good. So it's a family business as well?
Family business, so Dad was the one that started it.
Yep.
And he loves the passion. He's got the passion and the drive for it. So.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Just gonna quickly check everything. So we got Elijah's A45 yellow edition. Look at all the details in there. We got this fancy sticker. I like it. Very nice diffuser and everything.
Well, trying to fix up his sticker.
Yeah. That is a tough one as well.
Gotta need a new one.
Yeah.
He has put some bubbles to it, so yeah.
Yep. Okay, so I actually got t-shirt for Igor. So that's the one. This is your t-shirt, Igor.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'll be definitely wearing these on some of these meets
Events and stuff, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Carstyle Crew represent.
That's good.
This is a nice shirt, so I'll definitely be wearing this one on the next few meets. You guys will see me wear this shirt.
That's good, yeah. So thanks for representing us as well.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Try to check things out. Okay, Jason, I can see your brochures here. Well done. Probably check out all your stuff as well. What do we have here? I think I see this car before. Good looking car. No plate number though. How are you, Ledger? Oh, I'm just gonna put that in. How are you? Srilok. It's been a long time. It's been like what, half a year?
We're just doing some
Probably, yeah. So when I'm here, I'm like, oh, your car and Elijah's car as well. So now I'm gonna hear the sound of your car. So we got Srilok's Scirocco here as well. Nice blue color. I'll see you, Srilok.
I'll see you Sunday.
Yep, see you Sunday. Cheers. Elijah, I'll see you Sunday.
See you later. Thank you very much.
Okay guys, today it's been fun hanging out with Igor and his dad as well in the Coorparoo Mechanics. It's been really fun. Showing me around all the behind the scenes and everything.
I just wanted to thank Alan for coming through and from Carstyle Crew, and for just spending the time with us today. It was always a pleasure. He's a good friend of ours, so we hope to we look forward to doing some more videos with you later on.
No worries then, so see you guys next time.
See you guys, bye-bye.
Cheers. So we actually finished with Coorparoo Mechanics. Igor is driving me back now.
Indeed I am. Unfortunately the day had to come to an end. I was having a lot of fun. It was a good break in the day just to have Alan at our workshop.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get to do this again. It doesn't have to be at my workshop. Hopefully it'll be somewhere else.
Yeah, we'll do it somewhere else. Yeah.
Do another location.
Like somewhere casual. I don't know. Just
that'd be nice.
Go out somewhere. Yeah.
We'll definitely keep the vlogs going because it's a lot of fun. So
it is a lot of fun. Yeah. Because not everybody is good in front of a camera.
Yeah,
oh.
But Alan is. But Alan is fantastic in front of the camera. He's like a movie star.
See you guys next time.
See you guys soon. Bye bye.
Cheers.
Drive safe, Alan.
See you, go.
See you, buddy.
See ya.